Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will create a bike controller for the bike and also camera controller. So we have created bike folder under the scripts folder, and here we will create a bike script, but before that we will add the bike model to our scene. So let's drag drop the bike model in this scene, and definitely I will just position it a little bit. And now we can unpack the bike model. The bike model should have the front and back wheel, and these wheels should be the Z directional. So Z direction should be the forward direction, otherwise the wheels give you a bad rotation. And now we'll just go to the bike and we'll create a script with the name of bike controller, and we'll just update the script. In this script we will just add some variables like front wheel, and after front wheels, front mesh, rear mesh is included in the variables, also motor force, etc., lean, angles, balance force, engine audio, minimum maximum pitch. These important variables you can type it is, and also in the start function will include the rigid body and engine audios. So we'll implement the audio just like the car audio. So with the speed, the pitch will be increased, so that will give us a good result. After that, in the update function and then in the fix update function, we have some functions which we have to write, and these are the functions. Very simple script, very simple understandable code, so no need to explain every line. You already know the code. Just see the code, pause your video and type the code as it is. Otherwise definitely I will share the download link for these scripts, the whole project indeed in the description. You can download that from the description. So now this is the whole script. You can type it as it is, and now we will move back to the Unity editor, and in the Unity editor we will just add the script to the motorbike. So let's select the motorbike and we will just drag drop the script on the motorbike. Now you can see we have a rigid body added. We should have add the angular drag and angular drag 0.5 and 2 to 5 angular drag values are fine. Mass should be 200 to 300 for the bike, and then we will create a empty object under the bike. This empty object will be the wheel collider, and we will add a component wheel collider to it, and we'll just resize the wheel collider. We will decrease the radius according to the wheel bike, and then after that we will duplicate the front collider for the rear wheel as well, so that it should be for the rear wheel as well. So now we have a bike almost ready. We have colliders, we have wheels, and we don't need rear this steer physics, so no need for that. And now you can just add wheel colliders and wheel meshes to it. If you want rear physics, steering angle physics, and then you can tell me, so I will just add that as well. Steer handle physics, so right, left, etc. Then we will add the audio to the audio source. We will add a audio source to the motorbike, and the audio source will get the audio. So I have a bike audio, so I will just use the low audio. You can choose your own audios as well, and with this project you will definitely get the audios and other assets as well. So now you can see that if we play, camera is not available. We will just add in camera under the motorbike, and we can name it bike camera, and we'll definitely need a script for this bike camera to follow the bike in a proper way. We will just we will not add a camera just like a car camera, because car camera is a little bit different. And the bike camera will be a little bit simple camera. So here I will just share this code with you. So first of all, we have some variables over there, and you can see target, body, distance, height, rotation, smooth, etc., and then velocity. And in the late update we are actually implementing the main camera. So camera will follow the player, and with the speed the camera will be far, and when we stop the bike, camera will give us, or reverse the bike, it will be little bit near, not very much. Okay, so little bit zoom in like that. So now you can see that we will just add the values to the camera. Here is a mistake in the video, that I was just playing with the motorbike, because the motorbike inspector was locked, and then now it is fine. In the main camera we will just select these objects, camera object, object will add the camera bike camera script, and now we will add the relevant objects to the inspector field. So we need a target, which is bike, and rigid body, which is also bike in this case. And now if we play the game, hopefully camera should follow the bike, and bike should be there in a proper way. So let's play the game, and now you can see bike is acting very badly, because we didn't have added the colliders to the bike. So that is a very important part. You should add the colliders to the bike. Okay, after adding the colliders, I will just test the motorbike, and let's play the game. And you can see that we can play the bike, but bike is just falling to one side here on the right side, and similarly to the left side as well. I just tested it. So yeah, it's very bad. So the handle lean and handle steering is not good, so we'll just update the script. So I just tested it with the new collider, so although it was not a collider issue, but I just added it. And also we didn't have added center of mass COM object to the bike, so that is also important. So I just updated the script, added a com object in the variables, and then in the start function we have to update the center of mass. That is important. Then in the update function we will just update the handle lean function. This is very important, just type it as it. And handle balance function, that should be needed. And then the last function, handle audio, which is same almost, and that is the new script. Just type this script, and then after this script we will just create a COM under the motorbike center of mass, and center of mass should be in the bottom center almost of the bike. It should be like this, just like the cars. Now I'll drag drop this COM to the inspector field, and now we can just play. Okay, so we have successfully created a bike controller, very nice physics, and a camera follow script. So now we have a nice bike with the camera follow, and you can see that it looks great, and with character it will look much better. Definitely you can change the angle. Actually what I did before is that if we change camera, so for example if we extend it, and if we go to the bike camera, and here in the setting if we use distance 8 maybe, I think it collides with the bus. That's why we can see that bluish area. Okay, so it is in the bus. So we move, then you can see that it is fine actually. So the bike is fine. You can definitely change the camera distance. I will just keep it 7 maybe, and height I will just keep it 2.5 maybe, and then I will just move this motorcycle a little bit like this, and now we can just play the game. Now you can see that we have a nice cam, and yeah, it looks better. One more thing which I want to do is that actually that's perfect, and in the next video we'll move further and we'll add the animator controller for the driving system.